Another day, another reselling Q&A. I'm filming 2 videos back to back because my kids are quiet right now. No one's napping, so we're just trying to knock out videos. We went sourcing over the weekend. We went on Saturday. Saturday was my birthday, and I got, I think it was 65 things or 68 things. I don't remember. I was very tired that day, so I wasn't able to list everything that night. So I listed some things on Sunday, and I'm looking at my camera roll, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 things that I forgot to list. I'm gonna do that right after this video. Okay, first question. Let me find a screenshot. Did Poshmark ask you for a social security number? I talked to a few friends who make more than I do, and they did not get the request. I wonder why. Yes, this year, 2022, if you make over $600, then the platform you're making the money on will request your tax information. So yeah, so that is odd. I mean, if your friends made more than $600, they should get that. Like, it was a notification in the Poshmark app. Like, it wouldn't let me do anything. This happened like the first week in January. Like, as soon as I made over $600 on Poshmark, there was a notification in the app and it said, complete this. Like, it wouldn't let me do anything until I completed that. So yeah, I don't know why your friends haven't gotten that. If they made over $600, they should eventually get that notification from Poshmark. Okay, next question. What are your thoughts on having shipping days? I hate getting one sale and having to take it to the post office if it's a big box because my mailman gets annoyed when I leave the big box out for him. My mailman gets annoyed when he has to do his job. Like what? I need a battery. I need a battery. Where are my batteries? All right, hold please. I'm considering having shipping days 2 to 3 days a week, but I also want my ship time to be 1 day. What do you think is best? Thanks. So what I think is best might not be best for you. I like to ship every day if possible. It's a little bit crazier now that I have an office because when I sell things, I have to go to the office. Like right now I have, I don't even want to count how many bags I got right here. Probably like 8 bags full of stuff. But this is from like my sourcing trip over the weekend. So I have like 8 bags that I need to bring to my office. So yeah, I feel like shipping every day was a little bit easier when I had everything here and I could just put it out by my mailbox. But yeah, I do like to ship every day because I like to have that 1 day. I was same day, but I can't do that shit anymore. I can't do same day. I mean, sometimes I can, but most days I can't. So my shipping time is 1 day now. But yeah, I like that because I feel like buyers like that and they appreciate that and they'll hopefully continue to purchase from me because they know that I'm a quick shipper. So yeah, I can't really tell you what is best for you, especially if you got like an a-hole mailman that doesn't like to do his job, it sounds like what, I mean, you can do like scheduled pickups too. Like that's what I do. If I know like one day I'm not going to go to the office and stop by the post office, then I'll do a scheduled pickup and that gives your mail person a heads up. Like, hey, there's a bunch of packages here. So it's not like a surprise, you know? So yeah, those are my thoughts. I do know a bunch of resellers that do have specific shipping days and it works for them. Again, I can't really tell you what would work best for you. It's just kind of your preferences. Next question. So I was just going through my Poshmark sales and clicked on a sale that just delivered. There's an option at the bottom that says message buyer. So now they have it so you can only private message the buyer after a purchase. LOL. Thoughts on that? Yes. So Poshmark announced that. When did they even announce it? I don't even know. What is life right now? What day, time is it? I don't know. So yeah, unfortunately you can only private message them after they buy it. You still can message them through the bundle comments, but what did we learn? Bundle comments aren't private. Fuck you to my stalker that's still all up in my shit. I don't really get the logic in that. I don't know. I mean, it'd be cool to be able to message them, you know, before you make the sale to like entice them to make the sale. I don't know, but that's how it is. Last question. Did you and your husband resell before you met each other? I'd love to hear how you both got into it. I wish my boyfriend wanted to resell. So, no. So I've been with my husband, it'll be 12 years this June. And I was doing YouTube when I met him, but I wasn't reselling. I've only been reselling full time for 3 years. It'll be 3 years this April. I've had a Poshmark account since 2016 though. So I was like kind of selling random ass things since 2016. And then I went part-time for like 6 months maybe, and then I went full-time. But no, we were not resellers before we met each other. I just randomly started doing it and like fell in love, and he saw how much fun I was having and the success I was having, and he's like, I want to do it too. So he does it too. He sells only shoes. He does have a real like outside of the house job, so he resells only part-time, but he hustles. He works at night. Like he'll be up till like 1 o'clock in the morning some nights. We're at mama's fast asleep. I'm like, good night. Yeah, that's kind of how we both got into it. I honestly never thought that my husband would be a reseller, but he just decided one day he was going to try it. He started reselling in the summer of 2019, only a few months after I went full-time, because he saw how much success I had in those first few months of going full-time, and he's like, shit. And he started doing it too, and the rest is history, and we're having fun and we love it. I want to end this video with this comment that I received yesterday, and I want to know your thoughts. I want to know your thoughts in the comments. This person said, YouTube resellers are destroying the reselling business, giving up all their resources. So buyers either don't want dirty, nasty junk from the bins or lowball sellers on platforms. I think all selling platforms should ban YouTubers. Banned YouTubers, sorry, not banned, banned. Stop Ben Greedy. I think you meant being greedy. Stop being greedy. Either be a reseller or a YouTuber. So I agree with the first part. You know, just don't tell people where you source. That's information. Just nobody fucking needs to know that. But Patricia, of course your name is Patricia. I can be a reseller and a YouTuber. And the platforms aren't going to ban me. It's not, no. That second part is probably the dumbest fucking shit I've ever heard. Comment down below and let me know your thoughts on that. So that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin It Rad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit. So thank you. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.